Alright, it seems like
What?
they got the fucking... I took the rear bumper off. I don't know why.
Better space, better clearance.
I guess it just, you know, imports. Are just built like that. How hard does it take? How does it take to take an exhaust off, man? It took me like 5 minutes to do this.
I'm not you.
In reality, it's supposed to take you, well, in Army standards, it's at least supposed to take you like 5 hours to take down a transmission. So,
13.
slide that bitch off. Just slide it off. That's what I did, man. It's easy.
Then why don't you help a brother out?
Oh, there's a B. There's a B. Oh, there's a B. Is that your Eagles fucking thing?
What?
Eagles keychain?
Yeah.
How's it feel to get beat by the Cowboys? Like, really, how does it feel? I guess not a good feeling.
I'm busy.
Oh, my truck's dirty. Where's my fucking... Ah, here we go. Dude, I don't know what this went to. This is a ground. And it snapped off. I'll touch it for $100.
I'm about to give up on this shit.
For why?
This shit is worse than the fucking Genesis was. The Genesis didn't take nothing but fucking 45 minutes to do.
Turn the car on.
All that.
I mean, it's already off, technically.
You just want to hear what it sounds like?
Yeah, just hear what it sounds like. Turn your car on real quick. Don't roll forward or nothing, just turn it on.
That's not a manual.
It's just hear how it sounds.
What?
Don't rev it though.
I'm not planning on it.
Yeah, cause like this, I don't. We don't want to.
I don't know this neighborhood yet.
Yeah, I don't know this neighborhood yet, so don't rev it. Just like turn it on. That sounds pretty good, Al. Honestly, it does. It sounds pretty fucking good. I can't lie.
That was the aggressiveness I was looking for. But we have to get this shit off.
I mean, or you can make a fake one and just put it like above it, but it's not gonna be off. It's just gonna be like, look like it's on.
Alright, I fight me.
Alright, turn it off before it gets too hot. Oh, that sounded pretty good. Just put some muscle in it, man. Just take it off.
How about you get your black ass underneath here
Look.
and help a brother out?
Look, if I took this shit by myself in my truck, you should be able to do it in your car.
Help a nigga out. I have
Can't say that, bro. Don't say that.
I'm on a time crunch now.
Don't say that. What time is your time crunch?
Whenever the fuck she gets the hell back to her parents' house, which should be pretty soon. She probably already texted me. I haven't checked your phone.
You're gonna make me get in here and work. Something I highly advised I don't want to do today.
Yeah, she's already done it because she went home and got the puppies.
Hey. Hey.
So you can help? Because I really hate this shit right now. I'm happy that you fucking shook it loose. But now here comes the big problem.
All you gotta do is fucking take it off. You make me get dirty.
You said you wore the right shit.
I don't want to get dirty. I gotta wash again. Oh yeah, that.
I gotta take this one off too. Pass your knife.
What? You have my knife, bitch.
No, it's right there behind you. Literally, right behind you. Ow, bitch. Yeah, see, this was the most annoying one to take off because it's just all the way fucking up here. Yeah. Not so fucking easy now, is it? I was gonna try to unscrew the shit, but then that was not going anywhere.
What is that? I guess I don't see it.
I feel like once you get one off, the other one should come off easy.
It stinks.
You want the knife?
What? I don't want to cut it.
No, you're not cutting. You can fucking spacing it out so it can slide out easy.
Nah, I ain't no bitch. My man is a bitch.
But you yank that bitch. What else is coming off?
That bitch is it's on there.
Yeah. Now you see why I was struggling with this shit. Actually, hold up. Try to pull off now while I gotta push up.
What?
Okay, look like they loosened it. Yeah, that's the right size.
No, it's too small.
That's too small.
Big.
Oh yeah, boys won.
Go 12.
What happened?
Cowboys win.
16.
Who they win against?
Falcons.
Falcons.
Who sucked this year?
That gives me more material to hate on my first sergeant. My first sergeant's an Eagles fan.
You mean a Falcons fan?
No, he's an Eagles fan, but still, he just hates the Cowboys with a passing. I'm like, well, I don't care what you think, boys. Keep going. What?
Because you can only do it on that side. Get this side and got that shit.
Ain't got what?
That bolt in. Okay, this shit's just gonna fucking hang. Does that size fit?
Yeah. Baby, you're a firework.
Oh, we had a power tool.
I'm just stripping it.
He waited for it to stop.
Ah!
Yeah, nothing else I can just unbolt and take this bitch off. This is the process.
Cut it.
I'm gonna cut the rubber shit?
Yeah. No, don't listen to me. It's up to you. You do whatever you want to do.
I just want this bitch off.
You do what you want to do. It's your call. Because you're going to deal with this. I don't know what you want to do with that.
Can you gotta, in order to take the shit fully off, I end up fucking with the O2 sensor though.
Yeah. I fucked with my shit. I mean, my check engine lights on. I just gotta buy the O2 sensor.
So I basically just gotta, but fucking, if I just take off the rear part, this shit's gonna be hanging, right?
Yeah, it's not gonna hang too bad. You see, it's off right now. It's just only when you like you hit a bump, it's gonna go down just a little, but it's not gonna like scrape.
So it'll be straight like this.
It'll be straight like that, unless you put force on it. See? If you put some type of force on it, then it's gonna come down.
And if I was to just put it back over, it sound the exact same. Like that sound like how it was before this shit came undone.
No, you just have an exhaust leak. Purposeful exhaust leak. See.
An exhaust leak that I caused.
Yeah.
But I want this thing off. Like the only thing I see is cutting this shit. Hold up, man.
Your price is way too high. You gotta cut it.
What the fuck?
You need to cut it.
What the fuck was that?
Leaking?
No, like what made it do that?
Probably the metal, against metal.
No, I mean like what made it move. I didn't touch anything for this shit to move. It just moved on its own and did that shit.
Oh, probably repositioning itself. When I was trying to pull it out, it probably.
I know what I'm gonna try to do.
I don't know. Fuck it.
I'm gonna cut the top portion of this shit so it slide out easier.
Do a burnout.
This little tiny kid.
I know. Look at that kid. I'll talk to you guys later when we try and figure this thing out. Cause I'm no fucking import expert.
But you are a mechanic.
I'm a mechanic, but I work on fucking diesel trucks. I work on Humvees and Himmets and fucking LMTVs and shit.
Fucking Hemmet.
You know what fucking Hemmet is? LHS? PLS? Oh, you infantry guys or something else.
Nigga, we riding strikers and that's it.
Nigga, I mean, dude, I can't be saying that word. Dude, what the hell's going on, Mills? Why can't you get it, bro?
This shit thick as fuck. Fuck you.
Oh, it's thick? It's thick? Say it again. Say it again. What is it, Mills?
I hate you.
What is it? Say it. What is it?
Fuck off.
What is it?
Go away.
Say it. What is it?
I'm gonna throw your knife at you.
Alright. Come on. Use your man strength for this.
What are you hanging on by? Just cut through that.
Cut it. Don't break my knife now.
I'm not breaking your knife. Your knife is going straight through, but it's getting stuck in the fat.
Oh, what is it? Oh, it's thick and it's getting stuck in the fat. Damn, Mills. I didn't know you roll that way, bro. You've got mail.
It's literally just hanging on by a hair, and I can't get to it because of the fucking screw.
Yeah, this is gonna be a video about Mills working on his 350Z. What I'm gonna call this video? Loudest 350Z on the planet?
Negative. Negative, Ghost Rider.
Or should I say,
Work in progress.
I'll put new build 350Z.
Yeah, that actually fuck with that. I actually fuck with that.
I gotta get a thumbnail. That's gonna be a thumbnail. Gotta edit that out from the video. Actually, now probably get a picture like that. Yeah, I'll probably do that. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I got a good idea for a thumbnail. I got an amazing idea for a thumbnail. I know what I'm gonna do. Did you get it?
I was seeing why I didn't get it.
Oh no, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a picture real quick. Oh, this is about to go all 3, 2, 1. Alright, got my thumbnail picture. It's gonna be sick. Sick. Dude, I got a wedgie. Come on, Mills.
This is the last one.
Take it. Ooh!
Bitch.
Ooh! Ooh!
Bitch.
Come on, you couldn't get that, bro. Wait.
Fuck you.
I don't want to knock my camera over.
I'm taking a cigarette break.
Oh, I put it down too low.
That's taking a cigarette break.
Are you taking a cancer break?
Yep.
Yeah, this is wrong on so many levels. We aren't supposed to do this.
What?
We are not supposed to do that. We're not
Cut it?
supposed to. Yeah.
Fuck it.
I almost threw that bitch.
You got scared?
Oh. It's off, basically. Alright, it's finna drop.
It's gonna drop right on the jet.
Hey!
That jack went right back up.
I know it did. you know, Daddy Aaron had to get it.
Can I throw this in the bed of your shirt for right now?
Well, for right now, yeah, go ahead. I don't care. Wait, you can't put it back here?
Fuck no.
It's gonna be sliding around everywhere back there.
So? Just drop it in the barracks.
Oh, you want to throw it away?
Yeah. I ain't gonna keep this because I'm getting a whole other exhaust.
Alright. Well, fuck it. I'll take it.
Oh.
You know, Daddy Aaron had to get that out. You know what I'm talking about? Just drop it, bitch. It's metal. I guess
Leaving this pipe hanging or something?
I'll strap this down or something. Huh?
You gonna leave that pipe hanging?
It's not gonna... It shouldn't affect anything. Like, it shouldn't, like... Unless you get, like, a big-ass bump, you won't hear it. Unless you could take it to a shop real quick and just have them weld, like, a piece of metal on.
Because if I take it off, it's just gonna fuck with the O2 sensor.
So what you can do is just, yeah, do that. Fucking
Like
get a metal shop and just have it, the help, from then welded on, they ain't gonna charge you more than 20 bucks for you to weld that shit on. If I had a welder, I would do it, some little shitty ass job, but I don't have a welder. I'm not rich.
I mean, still sitting in a...
Alright,
Fuck it.
go ahead and start it so I can end this video off. And see. Remember, no revving, all right? This neighborhood isn't accustomed to us yet.
I know.
All right, this neighborhood is not accustomed to us. All right, first start. Yeah.
I'm proud of it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good, man. That's good. That's real good.
Wanna help you put the bump back on real quick?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to the gas station, I guess. So I can put some gas, put some fuel in her, cause she's a thirsty bitch. You're thirsty, aren't you? Yes, you are. I take dirty to my truck. All right, folks. Well, that's gonna be it for today's video. Stay tuned for more to come. We got the new build, the 350Z with Mills, and then we got the Civic. The Civic is actually getting spacers on it, so I might make a video about that. I might. Just simple shit for now. And then inside the trunk, you know, we have the 2JZ parts. So 2JZ is getting new parts installed, and eventually this truck is gonna be getting new parts. So just stay tuned for that. Catch you guys later. Remember, use the hashtag #ManStrength to be featured on my channel or on my Instagram. You guys have a nice day. Call sign Bader out.